Hello, YouTube. Well, last time this fan was seen was sitting on my dining room table, and it's now earned its name. It's simply just referred to as Scrappy. Uh, and no, those are not the correct blades. No, those are not the correct irons. And this is just this is even worse than a normal hack job installation for me. But I wasn't sure that Scrappy ran. Oh, Scrappy runs. Not happily, but Scrappy runs. Not the happiest of fans. So, what's going on here? Well, one, these are so badly hacked on. These screws are just cranked down so tight so that the bracket doesn't move that far on this flywheel, because these brackets are not the correct type. But they work for the time being. I mean, the pull chain, there's supposed to be a speed control knob up in there. That burned out. That is actually sitting right here. That is sitting right here. This is the speed control, and that resistor, if the camera will focus, is why it doesn't work anymore. So, it also had a light on it. Now, the light I do have, the light is sitting on top of here, and as you can tell, not happy. It's in really sad shape. And this one's completely gone. It's floating around over there. So, now, interested in this, you know, is, well, wait, where's the reversing switch? There's no reversing switch on this fan. Yes, there is. Right there. Let's see if Scrappy runs in reverse. Does Scrappy go backwards? Scrappy goes backwards. Alright, well, thanks for watching.